Hello, welcome to another CleaveTech video. Now notice it's not a CleaveTech tech tip today, it's a really short video and something a little bit different for CleaveTech. What could it be? Well, there's a clue. So today I'm going to unbox this and we're going to find out what's in it. Well, there's a good clue on the front, so you might have seen that already from the intro, but let's open it up and let's see what we got. Aha! So we have Slot Festival, Slot Market. Okay, that's coming very soon. That's my order. Oh, that's very nice. A nice little pen, nice soft touch pen. That's a nice little touch. Very nice of them to send me that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Pendle Slot Racing. So what's under the bubble wrap? Well, let's have a look. Aha! Can you tell what it is yet? Let's go. We've got some spare bits and pieces from a company you might recognise, Revo Slot. In fact, I watched a little video the other day by that slot car guy, Travis. Had a few conversations with him, really nice bloke, doing really good things on his channel. I'd recommend that if you like this sort of thing, you go and watch his little review of his Revo slot car and his reviews of everything that he does. His channel's going from strength to strength. I'd really recommend it. So, some tyres and some wheels and some axles and bits and pieces. And then we get down to the main thing, which is this. Look at that. Now, I'm never one for fancy looking cars. What was the point in spending lots of money on one that's got a fancy livery and fancy paint job on it when really all it is going to be a race car? This one was much cheaper and it is going to be turned into a race car and not a shelf queen. So you're going to join me in another video when I open this up and we have a look, and I have a look at what the chassis is like, what the parts are like, and I'm going to build it up and I'm going to go and race it. See you again soon.